fellow shoppers, it's me again, and today we're gonna be unboxing a wooden kitchen set. This is supposed to be a gift for our daughter kasi yung anak kong panganay regaluhan namin ng DIY assembling chair. So para naman iwas away, we decided to give my other daughter a wooden kitchen set. Hopefully the quality is nice. The price is a bit steep, nasa 1.5 siya, and it's not one of those bigger kitchen sets. Parang ito stovetop lang ata ito eh. So I'm not sure, let's see. Later on I'll be posting the exact name of this item and where we got this from. In order ng wife ko to sa Lazada. Yan, so 1.5 yung presyo niya. So hopefully maganda, magustuhan ng anak ko para hindi sa akin yung pinambili namin dito. Yan. Bakit kitchen set? Well, dahil din sa my wife sa baker, so minsan minimimic niya na ng daughter namin yung movements ng wife ko when it comes to baking stuff here at home. So hopefully this is a nice compliment to what she is already seeing herself to be, just like her mom. So after I unbox this, I'm gonna pack this up again, wrap this up para pang regalo. Okay, so yan. Kitchenette puzzle and environmental health. Okay. Ang labo nun. Okay, so here's the whole package. And let's see kung kamusta naman yung material sa loob. Malaki-laki siya. And for its price, I guess, it's good. Okay, so here we have so everything's wooden. Yung mga kitchen utensils, pots, pans. Wag lang isa iba to hindi mabasag, sayang naman. And here's the main piece. Let's try to take it out. Okay, so this one goes here. And ayan siya. So may magnet dito para sa door ng oven. And you can see here, okay, nice. We have some clicky, ratchety knobs, which is very surprising. I just thought na iikot-ikot lang siya without any tactile feel. Okay, so we have, what's this? Lababo ba to? Parang lababo. And the stove. Yeah, parang lababo. Lababo was part ito. So siguro somewhere here is the faucet. Let's see if I can look for the faucet. And parang ito siya. Parang nararamdaman kong ito yung faucet. And yung mga ibang parts hindi ko nabubuksan. Ito nga yung faucet. So you just plug it in here And that's it. Here, let's just open one pan just to see what it looks like. Hey, nice. The feel of this is very good actually. Hindi siya yung parang MPF na kahoy. Very sturdy. Yeah. So, I like it. Yeah, so for the price, 1.5 for this set seems pretty good, lalo na considering yung quality ng materials niya. So ito yung tray. Okay, I got it. Yan. So maganda siya. Yeah, maganda yung quality. So again, magaling pumili yung wife ko ng regalo. Yay! Maganda. I'm happy with this. For sure matutuwa yung daughter namin. Hey guys, again, thank you. I'll be posting the link of the item where we got this, and hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.
How do I open this gift?
Start from here.
What's inside?
I don't know.
Legos? It's even yellow, Daddy. There's something.
What is it?
The kitchen with your eyes?
It's like Mommy's kitchen.
What is it, Daddy? It's a kitchen! Yay! Ew! Whoa, it's a big kitchen! Whoa! Whoa! Daddy, Daddy! Daddy, how do I pick this one? Lego?
So you got your pots and pans.
What's this?
You got a knife.
Knife?
This is a pepper shaker.
Paper shaker.
And then this one is a salt shaker. And this one is the lid for your pot. And what's this? What's this? You got a spoon.
Yeah, dude. To mix, right?
Yeah. What's this?
Egg.
An egg. Wow!
Other one.
Yeah. And this one goes. Open your oven.
Right here.
Yeah. You can cook your vegetables.
I don't want to cook those. I just because big. So I'm gonna cook the big and this big. Okay.
Anna cookies are wrong, guys.
Miss, we are ready to make it. Look at it. This is so really cool.
And it's butter. Here are the instructions. I keep these close to get all the measurements right. So let's get started. First, I'll preheat the oven to 375
It's a
degrees.
one kitchen set.
Yeah.
Add 1 egg to a dozen whisked
It's like mine need that.
1 tablespoon of room temperature butter. If your butter is cold, just put it in the microwave for 7 seconds. That should do the trick. Now I'll go on with the blender mix together.
Be careful not to spill, but if you not spill it, you have to use this spill it. You don't have to use
Once it
it.
looks like this, dump it onto
If
a
you not
surface and knead it with your hands.
spill it, you could use the spoon always. As for parents for help.